Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unbagging from Coach. So if you'd like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I was going to the post office. Okay, that's all I was doing. I was going to the post office, and somehow along the route to the post office I wound up at Coach. That is my story, and I'm sticking to it. That was the first day. The second day, things just wound up in the trunk of my car, okay? So, let me show y'all what I got, okay? The first day I went, I was there looking for something for you guys, okay? Real talk. I was there looking for something for you guys. And I was just walking around, minding my own business. And I've seen this item a few times. And I was just like, oh, you know, it's kind of cute. But this time, I saw it and I was just like, Then when I found out it was 80 bucks, $80, y'all, I was like, I think I might have to get that. So the item that I got is this little beauty right here. Look at it. Oh my God, look at this. This is the laser cut mini city. And this is in the color soft lilac. You guys, purple and green are my favorite colors. Well, purple is my favorite color. Green as of late, because I'm like, wait a minute, I'm buying all these green bags, y'all. Green has me in a choke hold. Your girl loves purple and green. So when I saw this, I was just like, look at it. It's so, let me come closer. It is the bee's knees with the little laser cut. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to take the paper out so you all can see. Look at how, look at her. She has silver hardware on here. Can y'all see that? Let me turn my light down. There you go. It has silver hardware. Look at her. She is so cute. She is so cute. On the inside, it's like this deep plum color on the inside. You see the holes, it's laser cut, so you can, I mean, it's holes in here, but it doesn't really bother me that much. So this tote is just open, okay? It will be open like that. So that's how it looks on this back side. This side has a pocket, as you guys can see. It is a little snap button on this pocket. That's substantial. Let me take this out. It's gel pack. So just basically the little care booklet. Now it did have the matching wallet, but y'all, I left it because I didn't like it. True story, I didn't like it. It's thick. And it's like accordion style. I put it on the screen. It was only like $40, $45, but I didn't like it, so I didn't buy it. So, goodness, I am in the process of finding something to match this. But I blame y'all for this because I went there for you guys. True story. True story. And on my way to the post office, and I wound up with this. This bag retailed for $3.28, and I got it for 80 bucks. Like, is it not gorgeous? Is it not gorgeous? It is the perfect, just little tote. Next, this, you guys, if you guys watched my last Come With Me to Coach, this was in that video. I thought about getting this, but I said, no, you don't need it. A day or two later, I come home and Dazzle Me 77 has this. And I still was saying, no, you don't need it. But then the next day, my car just wound up at Coach somehow, and it was still there. So I was like, you have to get it. So this is Dazzle Me 77's fault. I got, oh my word, look at it. Look at, y'all, this is the Ventura bag. Look at this color. Look, it's the blue for me. It is the blue. You guys know I wear black. Out of a 30-day month, I wear black 29 of the days. Like, surprisingly, I don't have it on today. I love black. I wear black all the time. So this just works with my life. Like, oh my, look at it. Look at this bag, y'all. And it was the last one. Look at it. That's paper, you guys. Let me unzip that. Get all of this so I can show y'all the inside. So here's how it looks on the inside. This was in the men's department, you guys, okay? So there is a pocket. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but there is a pocket right here. Okay, and then on this side, there is another big pocket, and here's just a little care booklet. The name of this is the Ventura 27 Signature Camo. This bag retail for $3.50. I paid like $130 for it. Yeah. Look at this. It's the blue. Y'all, look. Look at that. I love that the strap on here is detachable and adjustable. It has the gunmetal hardware. Like I said, a lot of people don't like the gunmetal hardware. It does not bother me. Look at this. Y'all, it's so cute. It is so cute. Yeah, yes, this will get a lot of wear out of this. Like, I wasn't going to get it. I said, no, Angel, you don't need it. But Dazzle Me had it, and I was just like, yes. So I was going to get the matching card holder, but they didn't have the matching card holder in the store. They had the other one, the magnetic one. I didn't want that one. So y'all know I done placed another order, right? Like 2, 3, 4 more orders I have placed recently within like the last day or two. It's a problem at this point. But y'all, is this not gorgeous? Is this not absolutely gorgeous? This paper in the teeth. Let's get that out. Okay. So that is this beauty right here. I can't wait till all my accessories come in so I can show you guys what I got for this. Next. So lastly, you guys, again, Dazzle Me. She is an influencer. Girl, Dazzle Me made me buy this, okay? Rainbow. I went in there and look, she unboxed these cute little charms. Look at the little bear. Look. Girl. He's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. I also found the pinky purple one. Let's move this. Look. It's the pinky purple one. Oh my goodness. It's cute, okay? Next, I found the blinged out chucks. They had this in black and red, pink, white. Black, white, pink, red, white. I think those were the colors. Can y'all see the bling on it? Let me see. I put this on my community page. I don't know if y'all can see. Maybe y'all can see it like that. Y'all see that sparkle? So I got the black one. And the gold. Girl, look at that. Look at that. Look at move paper, you disrespectful. Look at the girl. And did and had to. This is so freaking cute. These are like $5 each. So with these, you guys, like with my purple sport, I can clip the pinky purple one on with that. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. And then with the lilac one, if I really wanted to, I could clip this on, or I could clip on the blue that fades to pink, but it's pulling a little lavender. Look at it. Move paper. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then the fact that this is silver charm too. Either one. Love it. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this unbagging this time. Tell me, what are your thoughts on these and those beautiful, beautiful charms that Dazzle Me 77 influenced me to buy? Let me know your thoughts on these. Are these not adorable? Y'all need to come just take my American Express because, baby, I can't stop, okay? Thank you guys so very much for watching. Be sure to make sure you're subscribed, okay? I love you guys so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.